Hey guys, it's Christine. I'm going to show you how to add a task for a contact to make sure that you're following up appropriately. So I have a script, like a quarterly call script for you guys that I'm sharing with you. And within that checklist, the first contact you're going to have is a reconnect contact. If you haven't talked to your people in a long time, like I have some scripts in here to help you reconnect with them. And then let's say you're talking to Domingo and you have opened up Kelly, you've called Domingo through Kelly, and once you get off the phone, you can do this in Kelly, but I'm going to show you how to do it in Command. What we want to do is you would add, for instance, the smart plan. So you can add a smart plan here, which I showed you in another video, and go ahead and click the quarterly call smart plan. Now, in the action plan that I have for us is that a couple weeks after your initial call, you're going to actually call them back and ask for their address and their birthday. So again, this is going to be a systematic approach. So you're actually going to have another touch in between the next call that is scheduled. But what we want to do is add a task to call in 2 weeks, right? Because we want to call to find out address and birthday, right? And I have a link to a Google Sheet. Let me just grab the link right here that you can copy. And then let's just put it, use script below. Let's say that's the link. So we're going to schedule this out. This is the end of November. I'm going to schedule it out just for December 10th. And again, that's another good time to touch base because, and we don't want this all day. I'm going to set it up for, I know my power hour is at 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. or 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then I'm going to go ahead and create the task. So then again, this is how it will show up. And once you do it, or let's say it's December 10th, it's going to show up in this area here on your dashboard. So that's going to be the quick way to take care of all of that. And again, I have, I'll go ahead and include the short link to the script so you guys can paste it in there within the instructions of all the scripts. So let me know if you guys have any questions.